Nomad table app, solo travel app, find friends while traveling. So this is the idea in here. So you can just find it in here. Traveling solo, never eat, explore, or adventure alone again. Nomad table connects solo travelers in real time, helping you meet like-minded people, nearby plan activities, and join future trips. Join or create activities, meet up for dinner, sightseeing, or casual hangout, see who's nearby, future trip planning, AI-powered recommendations, in-app messaging, and group chats. Premium features, see the full list of nearby travelers, see who viewed your profile, boost your profile, unlimited AI activity suggestions, full visibility of overlapping travelers. So that's the idea. Quite cool app, which you can try. If you're a solo traveler, this is quite a good idea. And then you create to join activities, view nearby travelers, chat to figure out details, join city chats for future trips, see who overlaps dates with you, get personalized suggestions. And then let's just open it up. Then I just wanna sign in. So here's how I just create an account. So then I just created an account, and then you need So this is basically the idea. So you have this app, and then basically you have kind of like a chat who wants to grab a coffee in this area, or then you can see how many people are in the area. And then if you wanna, you can upgrade to see all the people. So then you can just, for example, just see all of the locations. So for example, here, so some people in here, some people are hanging out. So basically people posting some ideas in here to see what's happening. And then there are AI suggestions. So this way you can just go to events, to activities, and just find new friends this way. And then there are also AI suggestions what to do. Kind of pretty cool, right? Popular trips: Bangkok, Barcelona, Tokyo, London. People are going, so you can just create a trip yourself and see how it overlaps with other people. And then you can just join other people in this trip. And then you can message, seems there are some group chats. You can also get, that's basically the idea. Then again, you can upgrade to plus, 1 month, $9. Snooze mode. Then there is kind of redeem code option. I don't know where you have it, but seems you can just get it. And so that's kind of the idea in here. Pretty cool app. So this is not Nomad List. This is separate app for nomads, just to discover chats and friends and explore that, So pretty cool. Try it out.